Hey, everybody. It is September 12th, and I am officially linked out. I was working on that pun all day. Anyway, let me tell you what the story is.
Why do you need a backup communication system? Because big platforms can shut you out in an instant. 𝐻𝐥𝐻𝐭, the creator of Selenium, was answering thousands of LinkedIn requests by hand. His fingers gave up, so he used a tiny robot and a short Python script to help. LinkedIn thought he was a bot and locked him out for 24 hours. No post, no connection, just silence. That's the risk when all your work lives on one corporate platform. It can vanish overnight. The solution? Always keep a backup place where people can reach you. Nostr, an open network, no company in charge. Bluesky, Twitter style but decentralized. X, still one of the fastest ways to share updates. Or your own website, where you have full control. Don't rely on one gatekeeper. Protect your voice. Build backups. Comment more in the comments if you want me to make more videos on this topic.